Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 1st July 2024, and we've got a lot to cover in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Links to all stories mentioned can be found in the episode notes. Our first story today revolves around the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filing a lawsuit against Consensys, the parent company of MetaMask. The SEC alleges that Consensys has been operating as an unregistered broker through MetaMask since 2020. According to the SEC, Consensys collected over $250 million in fees by brokering crypto asset transactions and offering staking services without proper registration. This, the SEC claims, deprived investors of necessary protections. The SEC's complaint goes further to classify staking programs offered by Lido and Rocket Pool as investment contracts. They argue that investors in these programs are participating in a common enterprise with the expectation of profits. By facilitating these staking programs through MetaMask, Consensys is accused of acting as an unregistered broker and underwriter. This isn't the first time the SEC has taken action against staking services. They previously settled with Kraken for $30 million and are scrutinizing Coinbase as well. Staking, for those who might not know, involves locking cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet to support a blockchain network's security and operations. Validators earn rewards for confirming transactions. The SEC's lawsuit against Consensys underscores the regulatory challenges that staking services face in the cryptocurrency industry. Moving on to our next story, venture capitalists are showing strong interest in the TON token. Prominent VCs like Pantera Capital, Kingsway Capital, Rise Labs, and Animoca Brands have made significant investments in the TON token, which is currently trading at around 765 cents and has become the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. The TON token's appeal lies in its integration with Telegram, a messaging app boasting nearly 900 million monthly active users. This connection is seen as a gateway to onboarding millions of users to Web3. Games like Notcoin and Hamster Combat, built on the TON blockchain, have seen strong adoption. VCs are optimistic about the TON token's long-term potential for facilitating payments and developing financial applications. However, there are concerns. The TON network is still in its early stages of development and lacks transparency. Its success is closely tied to Telegram, which poses risks related to regulatory scrutiny and potential disapproval from tech giants like Apple and Google. Despite these risks, the TON token has reached an $18.8 billion market cap, reflecting high expectations for its future performance. Our final story today delves into ways to improve transaction confirmation times on the Ethereum blockchain. Currently, Ethereum transactions confirm within 5 to 20 seconds, but there's a push for even faster confirmation times for certain applications. Two main approaches are proposed: single slot finality, SSF, and Rollup Preconfirmations. Single slot finality aims to finalize blocks faster by having validators sign off on blocks before moving to the next one, similar to Tendermint consensus but with tweaks for validator inactivity. Rollup Preconfirmations involve L2 protocols providing faster confirmations by having a smaller group of validators sign off on blocks more frequently. Another concept introduced is based preconfirmations, where users can pay an additional fee for immediate transaction inclusion in the next block. This approach leverages sophisticated proposers incentivized to offer preconfirmations as a service. The post emphasizes the importance of exploring different design options for improving transaction speeds on both L1 and L2. It suggests that L2s can either be based on Ethereum's properties, act as servers with blockchain features, or follow a compromise approach with extra interoperability and security provided by Ethereum. The post concludes by highlighting the need to further explore the design space of slot and epoch architectures to enhance user experience on both layers of the Ethereum blockchain. It acknowledges that the sophistication of block proposers remains uncertain, and having multiple options can benefit users and simplify the work of L2 developers. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Stay informed and stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, this is AI Podcaster, signing off.